Hi, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. Today I am here to unbox the August 2021 Petit Vour box. So let's dive in. I was trying to think of what kind of things I'd want to get in here because I like to play that game. It'd be kind of fun to get like a body lotion, and I don't have a lip liner to my name, so I think that'd be kind of fun to try, so we'll see. All right, let's dive in. Here's the pattern. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is shocking. This is insane. Earthwise Beauty Nap in the Meadow Serum in Petit Vour. I literally can't believe that. Wow, that's insane. I've used several Earthwise Beauty products. I know they're not cheap, and I have heard so much about this face serum, and I'm just really shocked that it's in the Petit Vour box. This is awesome. All right, wow, it's 30 milliliters. Oh, I am so excited about this. Yeah, that is really good. Let's see, Earthwise Beauty, Earthwise Beauty, Earthwise Beauty. All right, Nap in the Meadow Face Serum, $60 value. Ultra lightweight and antioxidant rich serum made with strong anti-inflammatory action, sun damage repair, and tissue support. Wow, that is cool. All right, I want to try a little pump of this. Let's check it out. Wow, I would have never guessed that Earthwise Beauty would be in a Petit Vour box. This is what the face serum looks like. I'm so excited. Interesting. Scent, not too noteworthy of a specific scent. Nice. Anyway, so I'm trying to see, just curious if it was, just curious if it was like a water-based serum or, oh, okay, so aloe. So it's an aloe-based serum. How exciting. Well, that is awesome. Would have never guessed that. All right. Anyways, so it absorbed right in. Pretty, I can't place the scent yet, but anyways, that is awesome. All right, cool. Wow. Next up is an eyeliner from Onyx. I got an eyeliner in one of my past boxes within this past year, and it's actually working fine so far, so I don't really need a new one. I will open this to show you. Let me tell you about it. So I guess it's not from Onyx. Maybe that's the color. Eyeline pencil from Elate Cosmetics, $18. Smooth application, long wearing hold, allows you to effortlessly apply onto your eyelids, brows, or wherever your creativity guides you. Made with low emissions and Cosmos Cert ingredients for a positive impact on the planet. All right, Onyx. Ooh, that draws on really well and really easily, as you can see there. This is what the tip looks like. Let's see if we can. Cool. That'll be nice to try. Like I said, I already have an eyeliner going, so I don't really necessarily need that yet, but I'll just set that aside, or I'll try it out this month because I always let you guys know how the products are, but I think another eyeliner is never a problem. And as you can see, it's black. I don't know if the bottom is always a different color depending on the color eyeliner you have. Sorry, there's always a cat around. She just bounced a ball off the table. All right, Rawa Shower Gel. Oh, this is cool. Not really like a huge shower gel person. I like bars of soap, but it's fun to try. So I'm using their detangler. That's all I've used from Rawa so far. And let's open it up. Check it out. I actually got a shower gel, or like a liquid soap, in the last box. That one was peppermint scented. This one doesn't really, I don't smell anything specific at the moment. But it smells good, like subtle scent or anything, so that's cool. So the Rawa Shower Gel is the $5 value. It nurtures the skin and awakens the senses with a rich, gentle lather filled with calming lavender, uplifting eucalyptus, sweet vanilla, and woodsy Palo Santo. 22 milliliters. Those all sound like nice scents. Eucalyptus, sweet vanilla, and Palo Santo. Cool. It's fun. I like to have like a sensory experience in the shower sometimes. All right. Ugh, not this again. I already got this. Okay. This is the Andalou Naturals Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk. I already got this and I didn't like it. I used the whole thing and I will use the whole thing, but that's kind of disappointing, but I really can't be that upset with this box because of the Earthwise Beauty product. So let's talk about this. Andalou Naturals Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk, a $2 value. Vegan probiotics gently remove makeup and impurities, rinsing away dull surface cells and balancing skin. Apricot and borage oils rejuvenate dehydrated skin for a fresh, glowy complexion. Okay, so I've been getting Petit Vour since my first box was December, I believe. So I've been getting this for like about 9 months. And so this is the first repeat product I've gotten so far. So I don't know. I feel like that's kind of unnecessary because I think that they should keep track, you know, of what they give to each person and that you shouldn't get a repeat in a year's time, but who knows? I don't know if there's a way you can like tell them that you got a repeat and kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Like dispute it or something. I'd be interested to kind of see what they say if you say like, I already got this product and I don't want it or something like that. Like I said, I'll use it. It's a super gentle cleanser, but to me, it's a cleansing milk. So it comes out almost like a lotion feeling. So it just seemed weird to me to be using lotion on my face to cleanse it. But it was a fine little like shower face wash. So I'll just probably keep it around for like travel or something. If anyone ever like got a repeat product and emailed them about it or something, please let me know so I know like what experience you had. So that's everything. So pretty good box. We got the Earthwise Beauty Nap at the Meadow Face Serum for $60. We got the eye pencil in Onyx for $18. So we're at $78 value. That's a lot. Then we got the shower gel from Rawa, which puts us at $83. And then the Andalou Naturals Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk for $2. And that puts us at $85 if I did all my math correctly. So that's a high value for a box that I paid about, I got it as a gift for a year, but it was like an $18-ish cost. So cool. Definitely leave me some comments. Let me know if you got the same things. If you got any of these products before, any of your boxes and your thoughts, I'd love to know. And as you can tell, like I am really excited about this. I can't believe this came in the box. That's really nice and like crazy to me. So thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful, and also click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.